Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA reached the next target. We discussed this wave 5 target here in yesterday's video, 45 cents, as a very common target for this fifth wave. At the moment, I only have 3 waves to the upside, so I don't think it's complete yet. There are 2 options. Either this is the fifth wave of the larger third wave, but then I want to see 5 waves. At the moment, I only have 3, okay? There's clearly only 3 waves here. So it could also, and that's the other option, be an overshooting B wave. Let's first understand that target has been reached. So of course it can push higher. Next target would be 45.9 and then 46.8 cents of this fifth wave. Now let's also look at, and it seems like we want to get there. If it was an overshooting B wave, how high could it go? And I think it's basically now at the limits and probably just pushing higher. Yeah. Overshooting B wave shouldn't go higher. Okay, it's not an overshooting B wave, most likely not. It would not be allowed to go above 45.1 cents, the 1.38 retracement. So yeah, from that point of view, the overall forecast works out. Anybody who entered here yesterday in the trend reversal areas or area, congratulations. It's a support area that did hold. And we are rallying higher. Just gave you the next targets. But while things are so quickly moving, let's also look at, because it might already be done when I upload the video, let's look at the higher level target, because we also look at this third wave target. Yeah, remember that we talked about 50.6 cents for that one. Obviously, it's all about the different wave degrees. We can look at targets on the smaller waves, but they're obviously part of a larger wave structure. And the larger wave structure would take us here to 50.6 cents as a minimum. Let's measure that. Wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 to the downside. And then we're looking here at 50.6 cents for the 1.618 extension. Not in a straight line, as you can see, it's an up and down. But I think we have a good chance to get there. There will be fib resistance along the way here at 46 cents as well. But overall, if this is the correct wave count, it should push higher. And against the 42.6 cent level, we can push higher. So at the moment, there is no reason to think we are not doing that. It's following the overall assumption that we are in a larger third wave. Yeah, I mean, and then, how this is subdividing on the lower time frames, that's always a that's always a different question. Things can work out different ways. There are different ways to get there. It's like when you go in your car, want to visit someone, there are typically 2 or 3 ways to get there. That's the same way on the charts, right? And then it's all about what time frame are we looking at. But bear in mind, this 50.6 cent level would only be the third wave of a third wave. Of course, targets would then eventually push higher. Okay, so if this really is a larger third wave, we can zoom out a bit further and just look at this 1-2 setup here, which started in December, and measure here roughly the wave 1 to the upside, the wave 2 to the downside, which bottomed on the 10th of March. Here we talk about, need to update the timestamp by the way, here we talk about 58 cents for this third wave. Yeah, but then again, there should be a fourth and a fifth wave. So things are moving, yeah, and as long as we're holding the level I just gave you here, which is the 42.6 cent level, the focus is on higher. It currently doesn't look like that this fifth wave of a third wave is already finished. So we're most likely going to push a bit further. Is there any structural resistance? Not really, not in the recent past, as you can see. Yeah, haven't really been in this price range for a long time. There will be structural resistance. I think this is quite a significant swing high, around 52.4 cents, but that would be above the 50 cent level. So yeah, good performance by ADA. Yeah, moving, nothing unexpected for now. And I think we now have a situation where also this alternative wave count of it being a leading diagonal is not really valid anymore. I just leave it on the chart for now, but this is only the alternative, something I'm watching. If it now came down impulsively from here or strongly from here, we could look at it, but at the moment it's just following the primary count of being in a third wave rally. And there's at the moment no reason to change it. So from that point of view, the focus remains on higher for ADA, and I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.